Hello everyone, lots of love to all of you and blessings. Today this video is on pickup cards deck to know whether if I work in a business and if I work in a partnership, whether that partnership will last or not, whether the partnership is actually good for me or not. Hello everyone, this is Chandni Mahajan, your relationship coach, a tarot card reader, a numerologist, a Reiki healer, a pranic practitioner, so on and so on from Celestial Energies. This video is going to answer you the question pertaining to whether if you want to go to a partnership or whether this partnership is going to work for you. If you are already working in partnership, whether this partnership is going to work for you, or if you want to work in a partnership, whether you should go in a partnership or not. So there are three decks as usual, compiling three piles compiling of few cards each, couple of cards each. The first card is one with the blue bracelet called as blue turquoise. The second is the one with the garnet. The third is with the citrine. So we'll be giving 15 seconds to the things happen so that you can choose a proper, or you can focus on the thing which can resonate to you more. As we are talking about business, so what is actually thinking of you? What you are actually thinking of you right now? What kind of a partnership you are looking on? Just keep these questions intended in your mind, and I'm 100% sure that these answers will be able, I will be able to resonate to all your answers. So let's wait for 15 seconds and then we'll reveal the cards. So now it's 15 seconds over. So now let us see what the cards have stored for us. This blue turquoise, basically the people, those who have chosen this blue turquoise, means they are looking for luck. It is for gambling, it is for throat chakra, it is also for attraction, it is also for good luck, it is also for enhancement of communication. So let's see what pile number 1 is storing for the people. The first card which is coming is inner strength. You may have a great courage and kindness. You may not realize how strong and powerful you are, but there is no problem. You can't solve the compassion you feel. You so feel freely to give others must also be given to yourself. Stand strong in your conviction if right answer to tell someone is no. Second is truth and integrity. Third is divine timing. Fourth is the chariot. And fifth is the rider. So from this first pile, I would say that what I can make out is that you are already into the partnership, and somehow where your partner is going wrong, you are not able to say that he or she needs to correct their ways so that the things can be actually turned from the chariot, turned from black to white, actually from black to white, which is happening in the chariot card. So we have to wait for the divine time. If you are actually going to wait for the divine timing, no, it is the right time for you to knock onto the opportunities, and opportunities are actually knocking at your door, and you have to be on the side of truth and integrity so that your inner strength works and this chariot things happen. So if you are into partnership, please correct your partner, or whatever you want to say to him, please correct him so that the things can happen for the good. The last card which we'll be drawing is the rider card. Is for the new beginnings, inventions, lover, visitors, blessings. So this can only be happen when all these things have been sorted. If these things are unsorted, this is not going to happen. If you want this thing, a new business, a new profit, a new scenario, a new project in your life to happen, so you have to solve these unsolved questions or unsolved problems in your life. Second, the people, those who have chosen this red garnet band, Red garnet is again for the grounding purpose. It's for the people, those who are unstable, the people, those who are looking for, those who are having insecurities in their life. So let's see what is pile 2 saying to them. Ten of emotions, which is saying life is a blessing you with a wonderful and lovely family. Great happiness and emotional fulfillment are now on the horizon. Harmony with those you love is assured by offering forgiveness and understanding. Second is harmony. Third is serenity. Fourth is hanged man and the anchor. So here I can see, yes, things are already working in a good position. They are already in a great horizon where it should have been worked. There is lots of harmony, there is lots of tranquility, there is lots of peace, there is serenity, there is a peace of mind where you can actually work, where you can actually innovate, think and make more decisions, make more likely decisions. But still you are confused at some place and you need the support of each other. Anchor means support of each other, where you will be actually taking care of each other and supporting the project which you guys are handling, and this partnership is actually going to be flourished. So in my third pile I'll see the citrine. Citrine is for abundance. Citrine is a merchant stone. Citrine is a gambling stone. Citrine is a stone of prosperity, stone of money, which I always wear too. Sometimes I even wear a garland of it. So the first card which is depicting is a beautiful card, creativity and abundance. Dear one, you are being called to action. You are ready to accomplish great things and truly come into fullness of who you are. It's time for great creativity, giving birth to beloved projects or becoming a parent. Follow your passion so abundance and prosperity manifest for you. Again there is a card of sun. Sun is a growth card, new beginning, intention and owl. If I see towards the third pile, I'll see creativity and abundance. Like if you are already into a partnership or you want to go into this partnership, we can also, whenever we read the card, we can also project towards the numbers. The number 3 is the number of creativity. Number 3 is the number of Jupiter. So where we can see that number 3, the number of creativity, and now the creativity and abundance is already there. So if people, those who have chosen this card and they are thinking of being partner with somebody or already in the partnership firm and doubting whether this partnership firm is actually going to work or not, no, you should not be doubtful about anything. This partnership firm is actually going to work and it is going to work amazingly. Now if I see to the card of sun, sun is the card of a growth. Sun never comes down. Definitely it comes down in the night, but it is mostly rising. If it is coming down in one country, it is going up in the another country. So it is most of the times it is going up. So that is why the sun is also known as the card of the growth. Again there is a card of a new beginning, that if you are already in a partnership and you want to start with a new partnership, yes, that is a very good sign that you can go for a new beginning. There is blessings coming your way and angels are by your side and helping you out to make a new beginning. You have to intention. The next card is intention. You have to intend what you actually want, and whatever you intend should be very, very positive. It should not be negative. It should be very positive what you actually want. All the positive affirmations, all the positive signs, all the positive words, switch words, everything should be added in this intentions, and your intentions should be far shared with your partner that this is what you actually want. Owl, the sign of the bird. Owl, people think that owl is a bad omen, but according to Lenormand cards, owl is a very good omen. It helps in manifestation, it bringing good news, it helps in conversation, it helps in excitement. It is curious, it is inquisitive about new things, to just search for new discoveries. So The people, those who have chosen the third pile, the citrine pile, that partnership is already going well, and if they want to go for another partnership, that will also go well, and their partners are good to them. I'll conclude at the end that the people, those who have chosen blue turquoise, for them, they have to settle down each and everything with their partner. They have to clear resentment, they have to clear all the doubts with their partner if they actually want this project to work out. For this project, for Serenity, you have to clear your confusions. Although things are going absolutely right, but still there is some kind of a confusion, and both the partners will merge together and clear the confusions, and you will be abundant. In the third pile, we'll see that things are already good and abundant. Last but not the least, for the blue thing, if things do not settle for this first pile, if the partners are not able to come on a same page or a same decision, this partnership will not last long, and it is very good for you people to just get apart instead of being into that dig or that bury for a long time. So now, if any one of you want me to make a new video on a specific topic, please feel free and leave your suggestion and ideas in a comment section. Thank you for watching my videos. Hope to see you all with new and other videos from Celestial Energies. Thanks once again. Have a nice day. Stay blessed. Stay safe. Please share and subscribe to my channel. If you like my video, please give thumbs up. Thank you.